Dear students, last after maybe more long times I discuss in RMO, PRMO topics. Okay, after 1 month I not any topic I discuss. Some busy schedules, so I not discuss. More student ask the question, so I not discuss also. So today I discuss this RMO topic. RMO, PRMO topic. Already I just told RMO, PRMO, no any guessing or something. All I want truth. All I want truth. So last class RMO, last two lecture I think I upload you to the my DWT topics. Today I discuss GCD. Today I discuss GCD. GCD. GCD or HCF. Very important. Hello. Very important this topic. GCD and SCA both. But RMO are the question GCD topic. The GCD. So first GCD. Understand. GCD generally write down GCD A comma. Generally write down GCD A comma B or simply write down A comma B bracket. This also write down GCD A comma B or A comma B. This means understand. This means GCD of A and B. GCD of A and B. GCD of A and B. Very important topic. Very important topic. GCD. Last class that's why I teach. Last 1 month I teach. Upload a YouTube channel. What name? WGT. Very important. This is also very important. You study PRMO, RMO. Without this topic knowledge, no chance. Hello? Understand? So GCD A comma B or A comma B. A comma B means GCD of A comma B. A and B. Miss any question given, simple questions. Any question given 4 comma 6 find GCD. 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6 find GCD. What you told? 4 comma 2, 4 comma 6 GCD 2 sir. Minus 4 comma minus 6 is also GCD 2. Minus 4 comma minus 6 is also GCD 2. Same question GCD 0 comma 0. GCD 0 comma 0 means meaningless, no meaning. Hello sir, understand? GCD A comma 0 comma 0. GCD 0 comma 0. What meaning? 0 comma 0 means meaningless. 0 comma 0 means meaningless, no meaning. Okay, understand? Yeah, indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. Yeah, meaningless. Anyone. So one concept remember, one point must be remembered. All one point. Just first this write down. All student study. So this write down. The GCD 4 comma 6 2 minus 4 comma minus 6 also 2, but GCD 0 comma 0 meaningless. Otherwise, indeterminate form. This must be remembered. Again remember. Always remember. You find the GCD. This notes write down. At least. Remember. You find the GCD. So at least one of two integer must be non. Always remember. You find the GCD A comma 0. These two these number have. Any one number must be non-zero, means no zero. If both number 0 means meaningless. If both number 0 means meaningless. Hello sir, understand? Understand sir? Key point कि at least one of two integers, at least one integer must be non-zero. If both integers are zero, so meaningless. Let's write down. Very very important point. GCD or PRMO, RMO, very important point. Some property remember. Property must be remembered. Without property not study. The first property remember, GCD A comma B must be greater than 1. GCD A comma B must be greater than 1. Second point, GCD A comma A equal to 1. GCD A comma A is equal to 1. What condition? Tell me. GCD A comma A is equal to 1. Which condition? If A and B are co-prime, if A and B are co-prime or relative prime, write down. If A and B are co-prime or relative prime, so GCD A comma B is 1. Always remember. More example. Your question given, find the GCD minus 2 comma minus 3. Find the GCD minus 2 comma minus 3. So minus 2 means minus 2 what factor, tell me? So minus 2 factor, minus 2, minus 1, understand? Minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2. Minus 3 what factor? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 3. What common? Oh sorry. Minus 3 not, this also not. Sorry. Minus 3, minus 1, 1 and 3. Of this what common value? 1 only common. Only 1. 1 means minus 1 and 1 common. So what value? 1. So always remember one answer. So always remember GCD A comma B is equal to 1 if A and B are co-prime or relative number. Relative prime, not number. Relative prime. Understand? First, GCD A comma B always greater than 1, never less than. Second, GCD A comma B is equal to 1 if A and B are co-prime or relative prime. One example I give you. This is second property, remember sir. Third property, remember. All are proved. Without proof, this RMO not qualified. All students solve the question with proof. Next, GCD A comma B is equal to D if, next third condition, if GCD A comma B is equal to D, then remember, then D divisible N and D divisible B. Always GCD A comma B is equal to D, then D divided by A and C divided by B. Means one example, GCD 15 comma 24. What answer? GCD 15 comma 24. What answer? Tell me any student. GCD 15 comma 24. Very good. 3 answer. Very good. 3 answer. Very good. GCD 15 comma 24. 3. Now 3 divisible by 15. Yes or no? Yes sir. 3 divisible by 24. Yes sir. So always remember, any question GCD A comma B is D, that means D divided by A and D divided by B must be. Hello, understand? Hello, understand all this? Okay, next. Now this conversion starts. Means question given A and B GCD D, so D divided by A and D divided by B. Yes or no? Or now opposite start, means 2 divided by 12. Yes or no? Yes. 2 divided 36. Yes or no? Yes. Then so GCD 12 comma 36 is equal to 2. Tell me. No, this is wrong. Means A D divide A and D divide B. So GCD not A comma B is equal to D. Not. Opposite cases. First cases I told GCD A comma B is D, so D divided by A and D divided by B. But another condition, D divided by A and D divided by B, so GCD A and B is D. So no, this is not satisfied cases. Understand? Hello? All is to understand. All write down all things what I teach and write down. Third, fourth property. Next property, remember, if C divided by A and C divided by B, then C divided by GCD A comma B. GCD A comma B. Just remember. Understand? Yes or no? Means simple previous example, 2 divided by 12, yes. 2 divided by 36, yes. So 2 divided by GCD 12 comma 36. So 12 comma 36 GCD, tell me. 12 comma 36 GCD, what value? 12. The 2 divided by 12, yes or no? This property, remember. Next property, maybe fifth, fourth property or fifth property, I don't know. Remember. Next, today only I discuss the property. Tomorrow I explain some questions. New question explains. Next, if GCD A comma B equal to GCD B comma A must be GCD 2 comma 1 3 1 GCD 3 comma 2 1. Hello? Understand? So if GCD A comma B equal to GCD B comma A must be. Understand? Next, if GCD A comma B equal to GCD mod A mod B, both are equal, means your question -2 -3 GCD find. It is also find mod 2 minus mod 3 minus means 2 comma 3 GCD 1. Hello? Hello, all is to understand? Very good. Next, all property write down, boy. All property write down. GCD A comma 0. Any student? GCD A comma 0 always mod A. GCD A comma 0 always mod A, always positive, not negative. Any example? 2 comma 0. The 2 factor what? 1 2. 0 factor? 0 factor what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 all factor. Na? So answer 2. Next, GCD A comma 1 always 1. GCD A comma 1 always 1. This must be all property must be remembered. Without property not go to GCD, solve the question. Next, GCD A comma B. GCD A comma B must be write down GCD A comma B plus minus A. This is linear combination. I discussed. Derivative topic, I discuss this top point. Linear combination. Open my YouTube channel and see. Or this also GCD A plus minus B comma A equal B. Both are same. GCD A comma very important point. Very important. GCD A comma B is equal to GCD A plus minus B. Otherwise GCD A plus minus B comma B. Very important. Very important point. This I have proved that. I prove. If you want, I prove, no problem. If you want, I prove that. Means GCD A comma A plus B is equal to, I consider D. GCD A comma A B plus C is equal to, that means first property remember, if D divisible by A, D1, two term na positive, D1 divisible by A and D1 divisible by A plus B. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. That means D divisible by A comma B, that means D divisible by D. D divisible by D. Same condition, this check and solve the condition. Same condition, this check. Next, GCD GCD A comma B must be write down. GCD A comma B plus minus AM. This also I teach linear combination. This also I teach linear combination. All students linear combination must be, so divisibility must be remembered. That today I discuss only property. Okay. Some question I explain, easy question. I explain. Tomorrow I discuss some good questions. Simple question. Find GCD 41, 36. Find GCD 41, 36. So property apply, not factor method. Property apply. This what value? GCD 41 minus 36, 36. Both are same. So GCD 41 minus 36, 5, 36. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello. Now 5, 36. GCD, what answer? What? 5 or 36 GCD. What? Any question this type, this property apply. Tomorrow I discuss some very good questions, very good logic. That I discuss RMO question in RMO last 5 years, 6 years. This topic, what important point topic, what important question, all question I discuss. So today all students in practice for divisibility topic and up to a study in what GCD. Any point out, any point not understand, so please send the message in comment box. 100% I solve you, no doubt. Okay, thank you.